Hello mga kami, namuntikan na talaga mga kami dahil nga si Cassini should be on the top 3 dahil po on the judges score talagang pumasok po talaga siya kasi si Ghana nangunguna ng 9.56, then after Czech Republic first are Cebuana, Cassini Ganado got, and it was too sudden kasi nga may voting po online, and of course yun nga sinasabi na tayo ang parang hindi kaya siya hindi nanalo siya kasi naanuhan siya ng boto ng Vietnam and of course ng Colombia. Of course, Vietnam got 8.31, so napakalayo ni Vietnam. Vietnam is too far for the top 3. Then because of the Vietnam is really well known, and of course malaki po yung suporta ng Vietnamese people for Miss Vietnam, representing for the transgender, di ba? Talagang humanga ako kay Vietnam because Vietnam is talagang ginagawa niya talaga yung lahat para makapasok at, to show the world to, or rather the star, Grand International, MGI star, na talagang deserve siyang makapasok. So, si Colombia talaga mga kami, talagang naluka ako dahil nga dapat si Czech Republic yung makapasok. So, there's a lot of comment down below na talagang binabasa ko rin mga kami na bakit nakapasok daw yung, it's common sense daw, bakit pa daw nagka-judges scoring while there is a social media or platform for voting for MGI stars. So, yun din yung nawaworried. But for me, deserving din naman talaga ni Colombia manalo kasi down to earth din tong si Colombia. The body was perfect, beauty was perfect, and of course matalino rin naman yun yung lagi kong sinasabi mga kami, in each individual has their own way being who you are to show rather the MGI star kung sino ka talaga, kasi hindi naman kasi yan makukuha yung crown if the judges and those voters around the universe, or rather around the MGI star, that yun yung na-pick nila si Colombia. Kasi pagbabasihan mo yung score mga kami sa judges, it was too far from top 3. Kasi si Ghana, it's really nothing questionable for Ghana because Ghana has those MGI star pussies na gagampanan niya. Kasi no questionable na talaga kasi body, beauty, brain, super smart talagang si Ghana talaga. Alam kong makapasok sa top 5 and she's a first runner-up. So, it was too sad kasi marami pong nagko-comment down na talagang dapat daw si Ghana. So, ang masasabi ko lang, lagi kong sinasabi, being a beauty pageant enthusiast,